One missing ingredient can stop an entire order. In restaurants, real-time inventory isn't optional, it's essential. The smart way to manage stock. SalesPlay POS, built for restaurants. SalesPlay connects your menu, modifiers, and ingredients, so every sale updates stock automatically. Whether it's a main dish, combo, or add-on, your ingredients are always tracked. Modifiers, combos, and custom menus. Modifiers aren't just notes. Each one can adjust price and deduct ingredients. You can even create combo meals and recipe products that track every portion, every time. Recipe production and portion control. From daily prep to batch cooking, record production runs so ingredients and finished stock stay in sync. No more guesswork in costing or portions. Manual purchase orders and stock updates. When it's time to restock, create and send purchase orders right from the back office, then update stock with GRNs when goods arrive, keeping every count accurate. Insights and control. View stock usage, track what's selling, and get notified when items run low. SalesPlay turns your kitchen data into daily decisions. SalesPlay POS, the smart way to manage inventory, modifiers, and combos for restaurants. Try it today at www.salesplaypos.com.